What is up, YouTube? It's finally here. Apple has released the iPhone 17 lineup. So I managed to get my hands on a few of these iPhones. These are the base iPhones, so the 17 256 model. I did get my hands on the Pro Max, but that will be in a later video because I got it a little later on after I filmed this video. So I'm doing an unboxing of the lavender color here. This is the iPhone 17 256 model in the lavender color. So this is what it looks like. Your typical unboxing. You have the pull tabs on the back. You take out the phone. You got the protective cover there. And you get your charger cable. This is braided. USB-C to USB-C. And you get some warranty information. The only difference here is that where there would normally be a SIM eject tool, they just give you a little pamphlet saying that that's no longer needed because of eSIM. And that's basically the only change of the unboxing. Other than that, it's your typical modern iPhone unboxing. So we go ahead and turn it on. This is the lavender color. I'll do a better showcase of the colors later in the video, but this is kind of like the unboxing and showcase of that. So now we're going to get to the blue color that I managed to get my hands on. It's also the iPhone 17 base 256 in the blue color. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of that. So this is what the box looks like for the blue color. And as you can notice with these iPhones compared to last year, is that they're a lot more muted. They're more washed out. They're not as pronounced as last year's model, the 16. So that's kind of interesting to see. But yeah, I guess different is different. So this is why I do these videos, so you can kind of see the color difference between the 16 and the 17 or whatever phone comes out. But as you see, it's still a blue color, but it is a lot more washed out than the 16 blue that was on the base phone that year, so last year. So the same thing, you get the braided charger cable, the same pamphlet telling you it's eSIM only, and that's everything that comes in the box. So that's your typical unboxing. Now I'm going to showcase the phones side by side as best as I can in better lighting. You'll see the lavender, the blue, and then of course last year's blue color, and you'll see what I mean by it being a little washed out compared to last year. So let's go ahead and get to that. So here are the phones, the two that I just unboxed, and I was going to kind of do our best to showcase the color. So that's the purple lavender, as you see there. Yeah, I think this is the best time to get an iPhone base because of all the upgrades that have been added to this thing. It's definitely a huge jump from even the 16 iPhone. So definitely something you should consider. It's a lot cheaper and you get a lot of the pro features now. So it's really a good upgrade if you need to upgrade or you just want to get something more up to date or even switch to iPhone in general. I think this is a good model to go for. But these are the colors of the iPhone 17, blue and purple. If I get my hands on any other color, I'll do a video on it. As mentioned earlier, I did have a Pro Max, but I got it later, so I'm going to do a video on that, showcasing the color. I got the rather controversial orange color of the Pro Max. But now I'm going to showcase the last year's phone, iPhone 16 base, and its blue color. And as you can see there, look how different that color is compared to the 17. It's just so much better in my opinion. It's more pronounced, a lot better. So that's the best I could do for the showcase there. If I get my hands on any other phone, I'll obviously show it off. But those are the colors of the iPhone 17 and the unboxing of those phones. And in here, I showcase the iPhone Pro Max, and that will be in a later video. So stay tuned for that. And as you can see, it's the orange color, so I'll do my best to showcase what that looks like in person. I hope this helped you out in deciding what color you want to get. Stay tuned for more videos about the phones and iOS 26 and all that. I'll do my best to cover as much as I can. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.